And I just wanted to share with everybody the fan that I used is these Yeah Racing right there, which is works really well and it pushes a lot of air. And what I did was, apologize for the lighting here. It's late. I just used one zip tie. The zip tie it there, and the only thing was I had to combine 3 zip ties into one to make it long enough. You just kind of make sure it doesn't hit this area right here where the zip tie hits the center drive shaft, because that drive shaft does move in and out. I'm working with one hand here. As you can see, when a suspension compresses, it does move, but I have enough gap in there for that to not even come close. That's the only thing that you might want to look into. But yeah, just use one zip tie. It's really not going anywhere because you have the cover plate that covers this entire area. Um, and it's really not going anywhere. I got the zip tie in there snug enough, but it's not like super tight. This is a temp sensor that I added so I can keep track of the motor's temp through the Traxxas link. And I'm gonna power it up real quick and show everybody that how this thing actually works. So it's flush, so the cover plate, it doesn't get in the way of the cover plate. So yeah, there it is. It's working. Yeah, for those of you that's trying to figure out how to put a fan in this thing, I've seen others that drilled a hole on the other side where the motor is, on the top of the chassis. I could have done it that way, but you know, it's just like once you drill a hole, it's like, you know, you can't turn back. So I just kind of did it this way. There's another option that I've seen, fans that attaches to this side of the motor, but what about the rest of the motor? You know, so this is how I've done it. For those of you trying to get some ideas, maybe this will help you. And that's it. And again, the fan that I used is it's a Yeah Racing, part number YA0180. And just to let you know that the plug that comes with this fan is this style, but which is not a big deal. You just follow the red and black ports on your receiver. I did here. This is the fan right here. So the red is in the middle. The black is on, I guess, depending on the orientation of the receiver. Mine is on the right side. And it worked. So that other pin is really not needed. So just plug it in that way and you should be good to go. Alright guys, until next time, see you.